Alright, boys. Today is 30th of March, 2026. We are currently being rinsed by the markets at the minute. Just fat losses all through the month. Because price action has been range bound, but then... Okay, let's just get on here and mark out these session levels. We are back to regular times, so like 1 a.m. 1 a.m. because daylight savings happened. 8 and then 2:30. Okay, so we have Asia lows here, London lows here, London highs there. I think that's a data wick. Trump said some shit and the market reacted. There it is, and then 2:30. Same shit really. London low, Asia low. And then we have that London high, which is the data wick. The week opening gap has been completely filled. We have draws up here and here. Currently, we are coming up to this 4-hour gap. We have we have two 4-hour gaps on the US, and we have 3 on here. Mark this out. This is this 4-hour. This is the other 4-hour, and then this is the other one, which I'll be looking at. There's the market open. Alright, I'll be right back. I need a shit. Alright, I'm back. This looks like shit off the open. I don't know what that shit is. We are currently holding this 15-minute. It looks like it might fail though. I mean, we've tested it, what's that, 1, 2, 3 times now. SMT within the gap on the 1 minute. Legendary lovers. Legendary. There it go. There it go. Okay, there's no more SMT there. So we're breaking below. It looks like we're drawing into these lows now. I mean, obviously that's what that down movement is. Have we got any hourly gaps on this leg? We do have one. Legendary lovers. Legendary. There's obviously massive sell power right now. I mean, I think currently we're drawing lower, but I'd rather wait and see. Definitely a massive close below the EMA there. Let's see if we can come and test this fucking 1 minute. God save me, legendary. Hey, alright with my chopper. You gonna beat him like his father. Hey, hey, all this blood on my Giuseppe. We could just be sweeping internal. Like, this is the swing, right? This is internal lows. There's like, we are bearish at the minute, have to remember. We're in a pigly bearish market. Legendary lovers. Legendary. We are in the hourly gap with an internal sweep. Holding that 1 minute. Yeah, we are just dropping, it looks like. Yeah, with draws lower. Ooh, not a good reaction. Yeah, the US still hasn't quite swept that out. Come into that 1 hour, whereas the Nasdaq definitely is in there. Oh, we are just dropping, but we might. I think this might be it. I think we might just come and sweep the lows, and that'll be it for the day. I mean, if we can get a 5 minute fucking tap for the continuation, I'd be so down for that. So I guess you got to sit here and be a bit more patient. And we're forming another 5 minute here. There's lots of sell side imbalance right now. Could also trade into this imbalance, you know what I mean? Legendary lovers. Holy 15-minute doom. Legendary. Let's fuck this 1 hour. Fuck the internal sweep. We're looking shorts out of this motherfucker. Surely. If we can come up and test that 5 minute EMA as well, like just come up here and then bake about here and then, you know, catch a nice little easy short into this fucking London low. That's what I ask for. Legendary lovers. Legendary. When does this 1 minute close? In 2 minutes. Holy wick of doom. That won't stay like that, surely. Yeah. Oh. Now we go down, right? need cell absorption. It looks like buyers are trying to hold this price. Do 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 do. Legendary lovers. I mean, I would say we're still bearish because of rising oil prices. I don't know about inflation. I haven't seen what inflation is saying yet. In fact, I don't think it's even been like published or anything like that. Like the new inflation data. But current return is like, what is the return on the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq? I thought it was 3.5%. I don't know. I don't think inflation has accounted for the oil changes yet. And if it has, then that's why we're so bearish. Investors losing their willpower. Realistically, do we think I'm getting another Drake candle up on this hoe? No. Here come the sells again. Big sells. Still holding price. We are still holding. The buyers still want to hold this price, I think. Very interested in it. It looks like they're very interested in this price at least. I mean, they are getting hit with some huge sells here, but it's not moving. Getting massive selling at this price, but buyers are just holding it until they don't, obviously. Okay, there it is again. Big selling. Could run a short off of this candle closure. That's a nasty entry. There's massive buys below. It's low. Like I was saying, you could run a short here, but it would be a nasty entry. I'm just waiting for us to test this 5 minute, like. We might not get that before we sweep the London low out. go up into the 5. Bro, we are not getting any entries right now. We're taking out the London lot. I guess we're holding this 4 hour to our left. I guess. We're stepping into another 4 hour, but because we're bearish, honestly, we're not reacting as you would think, like as you would say, reacting. You know what I mean? Not getting any 1 minute retests or anything like that. And then again, this would have been another valid entry. You know, if you were just aiming for that one, then you already hit it. The 2's not much further down. I would be break even on this one. Because we're so discounted, I kind of want to. I would want to wait for premium shorts now. Like, Please just give me one treacle of an entry, bro. Like just fucking anything at this point, bro. We've dumped so hard. What was the fucking point? Why did we just dump that hard? Fuck, man, this is really difficult. Because now we're in between two different spots. Like, we have to wait and see what gets disrespected. Obviously, we're holding this right now. Oh, this is a bit of an in-between. Look, if we get a bearish gap filled, right, with an inversion, I will ignore the 4 hour. Yeah, basically. We have a 5 minute here, but that's in fucking discount. If we get a reaction out of that, my boys, I don't even know what to say. That is the POC is right here, to be fair. Which is the 5 minute that has like an internal high by it. I think this one was just, that one's just gonna get rinsed. Bro, that 5 minute gap that I've marked out has got to be a scam gap, bro. That can't be real. There's no way we react out of that one. I wouldn't fucking believe it, mate. But then again, do we really have to fucking buy him? Lol. Bruh. Are we fucking serious, bro? Bro, what in God's green earth? This 1 minute? Why are we holding that price, bro? Fuck knows, bro. Fuck knows what's going on. another bearish close underneath there. It's too late to get in on some kind of 1 minute retrace, I'd say. Oh, we got Fed, we got Mr. Powell speaking, right? And oh fuck, I can't get in a trade now. Just realized, bro. So that's gonna be peak for the market in 13 minutes. What is he speaking about? Do we know? We have swept our liquidity as well, but there's no SMT between it. I don't think that 5 minute would do anything. There's internal SMT on the 1 minute, I think. Oh, not quite. No, there's another 5 minute, but that's bollocks, bro. I don't like it because it's staying above the EMA. Like I said, the gap is just so like, just in the fucking, you know, it's in discount. I don't want to short in discount. I want to short in premium. Like this is where I want my short to be from. Somewhere up here. To target this low, literally this low. That's all I want, bro. That's all I want. That's that being so stingy. We're getting this 15-minute above as well, but again, it's in fucking discount. No, I want the premium one. Give me that 15-minute. Give me that premium 15-minute. Give me that shit. I don't want to take a trade out of that bullshit, by the way. I only want to take a trade out of here, to be honest. Is there an internal high on the... Yeah, lovely. See, the thing is, we also have these highs. We've come up to the 3-minute EMA. We're kind of holding 5. But the 5 is still up here. Come on, just give me that 15-minute. Just tap that 15-minute for me. And I'll be happy to start looking for shorts. At least there. It might not go into premium. If we could get that 15-minute tap, bro. We're clear. Oh, I'm starving. This needs to hurry up and fucking go up so I can get in and just fucking see whether I lose or not. My 15-minute is about to close. Oh, go on. Go on, Shan! Ah, no bottom wick. Weakness. Nah, not yet, right? Can't be yet. The US hasn't tapped it. 5 minute there. This would be an aggressive close plus an inversion. But very mid setup because we're not coming out of a gap. Oh, we're flipping. Go on. I don't know where VWAP is. Should we have a look at VWAP? I don't even know what it means, but I guess not. Fuck this shit. Fuck that shit. Fuck VWAP, bro. Can't be asked to use that shit. The only order flow tool I would ever use is probably the fucking volume profile. Oh yeah, that would explain. Alright, we're very above that fucking POC. Where is the... fuck is that, bro? I just want the value area high and low. Ah, okay, bro. Fuck. Powell speaks soon as well. Oh, we might not even get a trade. It's 2.4 as of February. Right, but we haven't accounted for the change in the oil prices because that was before the war started. When is the next CPI? It should be the April, no? Yeah, there you go. No? Oh my god, the CPI's not for a while. Okay, there we go. 10th of April is our next CPI. Oh shit. Ah, we're moving lower. Fire, bro. Out of what exactly? Why are we moving lower? I get that we're bearish and all of that shit, but like, bro, come on. Is this even a good price to short from? Guys are still trying to hold those levels, I mean. Powell speaking now. Nothing's happening. We haven't seen anything happen yet, at least. Nice. So we're being disrespected. Okay, cool. That's what I'm going to be seeing. Yeah, stop this out. I'm not in a trade, by the way. This is what I like to call hypothetical. Oh yeah, the Fed man is definitely speaking right now. Spread's not moving, so there's not loads of volatility, but no, just moving sideways on the S&P. We kind of are here, but there's an obvious downtrend on the Nasdaq at least. I just think we're manipulating lower right now. I think I'm just gonna call it a day, boys. No entries, no nothing, no trade. I still think we're short, but there's no guaranteeing that. I mean, this looks like it's playing out now, doesn't it? Yeah, that's my break even right there. That trade would have worked. Holy shit. Fair enough. Oh my god, it would have literally hit my TV by a tick. That's SMT. That's that manipulation lower. Look for longs now, up into that. Here. I would be looking for longs now. Up into this 15-minute here. It might actually be a long. I'm off. I'm hopping off. I mean, GG's. No trades. I'm still locked in. So, yeah, man. Yeah, man. All right. Well, have a good day.